Hey guys, in this video we are going to check out the new features or the visual changes the MI A1 got with the Android Oreo update. So let's get into the video. Firstly, you will notice that the notification bar is now white and the animations are really very good, and when you play a music you can see a custom shade according to the album, and you will get a notification of the HD, which is due to the VoLTE feature, and it is so annoying that you can't remove it. You can just snooze it only 2 hours, and every 2 hours it will again pop up. Now coming forward, we also get a white themed setting panel, and with that you also get the Oreo Easter egg, which is a octopus or the Oreo biscuit. It is just confusing. Now everything in the setting panel you can find organized and in a cozy way. There are less settings on the page, and most of the settings are just categorized to make the system panel more simple and elegant. Now you can also enable the system UI tuner to tweak some of the settings, as well as you can also enable the developer option by tapping the about phone multiple times to change some settings if you want so. Now that's it for this video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video, and you can always comment down below if you had any queries. And yeah, you can always hit the subscribe button to make sure you have subscribed the channel and get our new videos whenever available.